The holidays are coming up, and one of the best ways to generate excitement about what you're selling, like your artwork or any other products, is to create a gift guide. If you're a new artist, you may not realize that this is the most important time of year for your business. This is when you're gonna sell the most amount of things. This is when you're gonna make the most money. So you really have to promote your things in a really cute and fun way. So I'm gonna show you how I do this. I use Canva. It's super cute and it's really easy, and it shouldn't take you a lot of time. One of my favorite things about Canva is that they offer so many templates for things. I was really looking for that magazine look, that editorial kind of vibe. They didn't have anything like that, so I just created my own. I started off importing the first couple of objects, then I started playing around with the background and some title text. The background, I wanted it to be, I wanted this gift guide to match my brand, so I chose one of my brand colors and was playing around with the transparency. After I got the background to where I liked it, then I edited my imported items a little bit. I wanted them to just pop off the page a little bit more, so I just edited the photo, made them a little bit brighter. One of my other favorite things about Canva is the background remover button. This only comes with the Pro version, which I obviously have. It's such a quick and easy way to remove the background of a photo, but sometimes it doesn't work because Canva can't detect what the background is. You see me struggling with trying to remove the background of this candle. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. If it doesn't work, you'll have to go into the background button and use the eraser part of the tool and just erase around the object manually. That's okay, it just takes a little bit more time and a little bit more precision. Sometimes you get everything, sometimes you don't. I obviously missed a couple spaces here, so I had to go back in and go back to the eraser tool and just clean it up a little bit. And then we continue adding items that we have found online. I really loved these candles, but again, Canva was having problems with removing the background. If you go into the background remover tool, you'll see another tool next to it called the magic eraser. This isn't like a real eraser, it just sort of extends a background, so it doesn't really erase the background. So I played around with it for a little bit, it wasn't working. I went back online to find a different set of candles with the background I knew Canva could detect, removed the background, put the white outline around it, and then just continued adding white outlines to the rest of these items, like these super cute Hawaiian playing cards and this backpack from Billabong. After I have all the items imported and the white outline around each of them, I position them on the page where I think I want them. And then what I want to do is add like a description and the price for each item. So I wanted this to sort of look like handwritten a little bit, so I wanted to find some sort of a script font. This one obviously doesn't look handwritten, but it's still cute and it goes and it's like sort of, it's got surfer vibes. So I went with this font and I found a little arrow that I thought went with the font, and I just added a little arrow and a description and a price to each. Sometimes it takes a minute to get everything situated on the page just as you want it. The arrows the right direction, the font the right size. It'll take some time playing around with, but honestly, like, this really shouldn't take you super long. And when you're done, all you have to do is export it to your desired format and either print it out or put it on your socials and you're all done. Bonus round, if you want a real handwritten font, all you have to do is export it to JPEG or PNG and then import it into ProCreate and literally write on it. I'll go ahead and show you. That's it. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you guys end up making your own gift guides, I would love to see them. So tag me on Instagram and share them with me. I'd be so excited to see what you guys come up with. See you on the next one.